You just block the wheels and then you produce it. The jack of diamonds, and then you show that the card signed on both sides of these folded corners are actually sealed. We call it Nowhere to Go, and this is what it looks like. Now the production. Oh. That's the shortcut. I mean this. Have a look. This is what I hired and take a step back. It's a pedal trick. It looks like a spanner, a wrench. This to jump back, I just do it this way, like this. Piece of paper or card through this, and it is locked like this. You do the, oh, what is that behind your ear? What is it? And you talk about a piggy bank, you talk about investment, you insert a coin into your fist, and you produce a whole lot more coins. It's free. You can make it by printing this out, follow the instruction to resize it so that and gimmicked. You can't see it because of the print, and is to reset this to the original position and gave it a rub and turned it into a gold coin. But then the gold coin flickers back to silver, back to gold, back to silver, back to gold. You don't have to push, you just place it here, tilt it up a little bit and fix the position. And the other hand, code to open it without knowing how. So you can't just force it open. It is, which is modified with a card guard, with a deck guard, which looks like this. It is made by paper. To banish it? Well, let me have a look. Then I'm already in this spellbound position. Tap, tap, and if I rub the back of my hand, one more coin. You do it in a smooth direction, smooth motion like this. By loading this and do the switch. Kamu gak tau
Bukankah kau sudah berpunya Jangan
Fold the rubber bands here if one.
Las ganas que yo tengo, cómo hacer para no quererte. Yeah. Nadie como tú, no hay un sustituto para ese cuerpo tuyo que a mí.
You relax and you take the coffee and you give it a sip. What color are you thinking of, by the way? And it just does two things. The first thing, it takes a back. The second thing, it delivers one.
軽い女ふざけんな重すぎるつの可愛くて仮面この実体着て仮面目立ってて仮面
These toys, these figures, and this one is a little bit green. You can put that here.